To get started, launch the IMO app on your phone. Tap on Add a Story or the plus icon on your profile picture to begin creating a new story. From here, you can create a story using text, capture a photo or video with the camera icon, or choose a photo or video from your gallery to post. Once selected, locate the Select Music option at the top of the screen, then tap on it. At the top you will see various categories, from which you can choose the type of music you prefer. Below that, you will find a list of popular music. Scroll through the list, and tap the play button on the track you like to listen to. If you don't like it, scroll through the list again and play another track. If you tap the scissor icon next to the track name, you can trim the portion of the music you don't want to include in your story. Then, tap the OK button to continue. You can add stickers, text, location, or mention someone as you normally would. Finally, tap the Post button to share your story. Your story will then be shared with your followers, appearing at the top of their feeds for 24 hours. Your audience can view and listen to the music, react, and reply to your story during that time. So that's how you can add music to your story on IMO.